students, how are you? I hope all are good. Today let me start GK Unit 6, Sports and Entertainment. Chapter number 50, Track and Field Events. So let me start. A lot of exciting events take place in tracks and fields. Do you know about the games given below? Number 1. In this event, the athlete must maintain unbroken contact with the ground, so his rear foot must not leave the ground until the front one has made contact. Okay, so ये कौन सा game हुआ? Which game is this? Is race walking. Number 2, these races are run mainly on roads but often start and finish in the stadium. Distances are in kilometers or miles. The participants can take refreshment every 5 kilometers. It is marathon. Number 3. There are 3 stages in this event. In the first stage, the athlete hopes he must land on the same foot that was used for takeoff. In the second step, the athlete must land on the other foot. In the final step, the athlete throws his arms and legs forward, ready for landing. So this is triple jump. Number 4. The athlete throws a metal ball using both hands. The athlete turns 2 or 3 times before releasing the ball. It is thrown from a circle surrounded by a safety cage and must land within a 40-degree arc. So this is hammer. So this game is hammer. Number 5. Presently, only men compete in this event. Athletes must make 28 jumps over hurdles and 7 over the water jump. They can place their feet and hands on the hurdles when jumping over them. Number 5. So it is steeplechase. Number 6, a spear-like object is thrown from behind a curved line at the end of a run-up track and must land within a 29-degree arc. So the athlete stretches his throwing arm behind him to give him extra power. The object must land tip first. So the number 6 is javelin. All the races in this category have 10 obstacles in each lane. An athlete is not disqualified for knocking down the bars. The athlete should clear each obstacle quickly and smoothly in 100 meter and 110 meter events. So the athlete takes the 3 strides between each obstacles. So it is hurdle. Hurdle race होती है ना? Next one. Number 8. In this race, each of the 4 team members run one stage or lap. A baton is carried by the first runner and passed on to the next team member in a takeover zone. A dropped baton is picked up by the runner who dropped it. यह है relay race. This one is relay. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 51. Sports mania. Matching. Many types of sports are played across the world. So read the names of various popular sports and match them with the right category. Okay, sports and category. So number 1 is archery, clay pigeon shooting, rapid fire, pistol shooting, darts, rifle shooting. तो ये है हमारे टारगेट स्पोर्ट्स. कौन से स्पोर्ट्स होते हैं ये? टारगेट स्पोर्ट्स. तो इसका आएगा एफ ऑप्शन. नंबर 2 बॉक्सिंग, कराटे, फेंसिंग, जूडो, रेसलिंग. ये आएंगे हमारे कॉम्बैट स्पोर्ट्स. डी. These are the combat sports. Okay. हॉकी, क्रिकेट, हर्लिंग, सॉफ्टबॉल एंड बेसबॉल. तो ये आएंगे. These are the stick and ball sports. H. So the option is H. Number 4 skiing, speed, skating, biathlon, figure skating, ice hockey. Number 4 तो ये है. So these are the winter sports. A. Number 5 water polo, swimming, diving, rowing, windsurfing. So the number 5 is, so these are the water sports. J. Option is J. Number 6 motor racing, cycle racing, speed roller, motorcycle racing and karting. So these are the option B, motor sports. These are the motor sports. Option is B. Number 7 billiards, golf, bowling, snooker and croquet. Target ball sports. These are these. Option is C. Number 8 lawn tennis, rugby, table tennis, squash and badminton. So these are the court sports. Option G. Option is G. Number 9 javelin throw, polo vault, discus throw, shot put, long jump. So these are the track and field sports जो केवल fields में खेले जा सकते हैं. Okay. So option is E. And the last one, number 10 dog sled racing, polo, show jumping, horse racing and dresses. So these are the animal sports. Option is I. Okay. So everyone, the chapter number is 51 is end here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 52. Famous Indian sports person. Okay. Now start. Many Indian sports persons have achieved great fame in the international arena. है ना? Read about a few of them and write their names. Choose from the box. Number 1, nickname. Payuli Express. She is India's greatest woman athlete in the 400-meter hurdles at the 1984 Olympic Games. She missed the bronze medal 1/10 of a second. So she is PT Usha. Nicknamed the Flying Sikh, he won 2 gold medals at the 1958 Asian Games and followed it up with another gold medal at the next Games. At the 1960 Olympic Games, he broke the world record in the 400 meters and he missed the bronze medal by 1/10 of a second. So Milkha Singh. Number 3, nicknamed the Wizard, he was perhaps the greatest hockey player of all times. He was part of the Indian hockey team and at 3 Olympic Games, 1928, 1932 and 1936 and helped his team win gold in all 3s. So the name is number 3, Dhyan Chand. हॉकी के प्लेयर रहे हैं ये। ध्यानचंद। Number 4, one of India's foremost badminton players. He was the first Indian to win the men's single title at the prestigious All England Open Badminton Championship in 1980. तो ये है प्रकाश पादुकोण। प्रकाश पादुकोण। Number 5, the greatest swimmer of India. He won a silver medal at the 1986 Asian Games. ये है खजान सिंह। हाँ, खजान सिंह। Number 6, he is the 3-time winner of the World Amateur Billiards Championship. So he is a answer is Michael Ferica. Number 7, one of the India's best tennis players. He won the Wimbledon Junior title and the French Open Junior title in 1979 and ranked the number 1 junior player in the world. ये हैं हमारे रमेश कृष्णन, जो प्लेयर है रमेश कृष्णन। Number 8, an off spinner. He was one of the famed Indian quartet of spin bowlers in the 1970s. He captained India in both the 1975 and the 1979 Prudential World Cups. After retiring from competitive cricket, he became an umpire. ये है वेंकटराघवन, एस वेंकटराघवन, एस वेंकट S. Venkat Raman. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 53. Code games. Racquetball, J-Alai, squash, table tennis, badminton, tennis. Okay. Some of the games played in courts, है ना? Indoor or outdoor, are given below. So can you name them? So number 1 is, in this game, players use a short handle racket and a hollow rubber ball. So the ball can be hit against the ceiling as well as all 4 walls of the court. So this first game is similar in many ways to squash. So it is racquetball. Number 2. This is a fast court game. Players use wicker basket called cestas in place of rackets. The court is long and narrow and has 3 playing balls. So the player wears a rubber glove which is sewn on the cesta. So it is J-Alai. Let me check. J-Alai. This game is played using all 4 walls of an enclosed court. The ball is hit against the front wall first and must be returned before it has bounced twice over the floor. So a match consists of best of 5 games. The winner of game is the first to score 9 points. Squash. Number 4. It can be played indoors or outdoors in a hall. So the player use rackets or bats to hit a hollow ball across a table over a low net. Okay, the first side to score 21 points wins the game. But if the score reaches 20 all, the game continues until one side has 2-point lead. So a match is decided by the best of 5 games for men or 3 games for women. So it is table tennis. Number 5. In this game, players hit a shuttlecock over a high net. In doubles and men's singles, the first to score 15 points is the winner. In women's singles, the winner is the first player to score 11 points. Usually, a match is decided by best of 3 games. So, ये है बैडमिंटन. Number 6. In this game, the player hits a ball over the net with a racket so that it lands inside the court. A match is divided into sets and ends when one player has won 3 sets for men and 2 sets for women. So each set is divided into games and a player must win at least 6 games and have a 2-game lead to win the set. So ये है tennis. So this game is tennis. So students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 54. Winter sports. Take up this quiz on winter games. Number 1. How many players usually form an ice hockey team? 6 players. Number 2. Which international winter sport competition was first held in Chamonix, France in 1924? Winter Olympics. Number 3. Which winter sport has 3 main styles of competition? Alpine, freestyle and border cross. So number 3 is snowboarding. Number 4. Slalom is a popular technique in skiing. Okay, so what does this refer to? Sky jumping, curling. Okay, these are the. So where is the option? Okay, so number 4, slalom is a popular technique in skiing. What does this refer to? So it is zigzag between obstacles. Zigzag between obstacles. In which winter sport does a horse, dogs or a motor vehicle pull a skier over snow or ice? So ये है sky jump. Number 6, at the age of 15, Tara Kristen Lipinaki became the youngest individual gold medalist in the history of the Olympic Winter Games. So, in which category did she win the medal in 1998? Figure skating. Number 7. Name the city that will host the 21 Winter Olympic Games. Name the city. So which city? Russia. Sochi, Russia. In 2014, maybe. In 2014. Okay. Now question B. Match the names of the winter sports with their pictures by writing the correct letters. Okay. Number 1. It is bobsled. Option F. Number 2. This is luge. A. Number 3. Figure skating. This one. वो देखने में भी लग रहा है figure skating. Number 4. It is C. Skeleton. Option is C. And the number 5 is sky jumping. E. And the last one is D. Curling. D. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Okay. Now we will begin the next chapter. Chapter number 55. Bowling basics. So this chapter only for reading. Okay. In bowling, the players roll a ball down a long narrow lane and try to knock down a group of wooden pins. So वो rolling pin होते हैं ना, ऐसे ball से जो फेंकते हैं. There are many variations of bowling, some of which can even be traced back to ancient times. The most common variation of the game is 10 pins, where a set of 10 pins are arranged in a triangular fashion at the end of the alley. Okay. So the wooden lane in a bowling alley is usually 90 meter long and 1.07 meter wide. So in each frame, a bowler has 2 chances to knock down all the 10 pins. है ना? वो ball से उन pins को गिराया जाता है. So if all the pins go down on the first shot, a strike is scored that is 10 points plus the number of pins knocked down with the next 2 shots. Okay. If the bowler knocks them down with 2 shots, a spare is scored and the player earns 10 points plus the number of pins knocked down in the next shot. Okay. If the ball falls in the gutter, it is called a gutter ball and the player scores 0. Okay. So the bowling ball is of 2 types, heavy and light. Some facts are there. Okay. These are, ये pins हैं और ये ball है. So the bowling ball is of 2 types, heavy and light. The heavy balls have 3 holes for gripping with the fingers. 3 holes, 1, 2 and 3. Most bowlers take 4 steps to the foul line, a line at the end of the alley, and roll the ball a right-handed bowler pushes off on the left foot, swings the ball back and forward and release it while taking the last step with the left. And the next is rocket. Tactical zone, where the player rolls the ball to try to hit all the pins with 1 strike. Okay, a person who steps on or over the foul line during or after the shot commits a foul and receives no score for that ball. Okay, so students, all chapters of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. Okay, so we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.